Yeah.
I did not spell that right, I'm sure.
So we're doing a surface test on the leather Ottoman. I was picking up a good sample.
Okay, so it's ready to go. So all I did is just type in the name ahead of time, so that way when you do it, it'll actually remember that it was that.
Snap, snap. Squeeze, squeeze.
Oops. Alright.
Thank you.
Yep, just keep it upright.
And this is called a
Luminometer.
luminometer.
Light reader is basically what it is.
Run test.
So a high count will be a high count of bacteria and surface
Bacteria,
residue.
human cells, plant cells, anything that uses an energy molecule called ATP. So what did you get there?
3,032.
Woo! That's
Who's been sitting on this thing?
So leather itself,
So three-
being made from cow,
No.
leather
Clean.
The same
likely gonna still have a number when you clean it.
same area.
It's like if you clean your hands, the number will go down, but there's still
Right.
your hands.
Okay,
Yeah.
we're gonna give it 15 seconds.
So, sorry, on the luminometer, you'll just want to do a retest. So you can click retest, and you can say cleaned with.
Surface wash.
And that's 15 seconds there, Maru.
Okay. So now it's ready for your next one.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
The same. We're gonna do the same pattern exactly.
Yeah. Even if it's not exact, it'll only change about 5%.
Then put
So you should
back.
see significant changes from just
Snap, snap,
Squeeze,
squeeze, squeeze. See, I
The
got it.
previous was
Up.
3,032, I believe.
And then we're gonna do instrument must remain in a vertical position
yeah,
for 10 seconds.
just open the door again and close it. Yeah. Yeah, you just gotta press run. Yeah. So
Run.
what it's telling you is that you tilted it. So it's gravity, right? It knows if you're using it
Now
improperly.
knowing that leather is very porous, our expectations
and
are really
actually
low.
made of cells itself. So
Oh, past 14
wow.
from
3,000.
from
So you can pull up
3,032.
the old results. Yeah, that's amazing.
Pass.
So even the rep
What
from
would
the
you
testing
consider
facility
14?
says it's amazing.
So that relates to 0.14 femtomoles, 10 to the negative 14 moles of ATP. So probably enough to maybe have one bacteria partially alive. Something like that.
Oh yeah.
Must have fallen off.
So
Or human cell or dust, right? So you're not gonna.
would you recommend surface wash?
Yeah, that's awesome. That's really impressive.
We got it, boys.